For now, I'm going to show you how to write the Google review for any shop or company. In some cases, you doesn't see the Google review for particular shop. I will show you how to get the details. For now, just open any browser. I just open Microsoft Edge and just click here and type Google search like that. Just type Google search and scroll down a bit. Then you can see the Google search option. Just click that. Okay, now just type the shop name or company name, anything you looking for to write the review. I just type Mobile One and search. Yeah, this is the search term, but the review option here doesn't see. So what you have to do means you need to click this maps. In case if you doesn't see the maps, click these three dots. Then here you can see the map. For now I just click maps. Now here it switches to this version, and here just scroll down and make sure verified you want to make the review on this shop. For me it is this one, so I'll just click review and just click write a review. If you doesn't sign into the Gmail, just sign into the Gmail. So now I just click 5-star rating and just share your thoughts. So I just type like this. If you want to add photos and videos, here you can add. Then click post. That's it. Now the review was posted. Just click done. And here it shows pending. I just refresh the page. Yeah, the review was added right now. So this is how you need to add a review if the review option doesn't came. And if you want to know more videos about Google reviews, watch these videos.